Hello Daad community. Today I am discussing about the trend of young consumers driving changes in the e-commerce landscape is a reflection of how their unique shopping habits and preferences are shaping the retail industry. Here is a detailed exploration of this trend. Characteristics of young consumers: tech savvy and digitally native. Young consumers, particularly millennials and Generation Z, have grown up with technology and are comfortable using it for various purposes, including shopping. Value, convenience, and efficiency. They prefer shopping experiences that are quick, easy, and can be done from anywhere, often using the mobile devices. Social media influence. This demographic is heavily influenced by social media, both in terms of discovering the new products and in the actual purchasing process. Impact on e-commerce of young consumers. Shift to online shopping. Young consumers are increasingly choosing online shopping over traditional retail. E-commerce businesses need to cater to this preference by offering the seamless online experiences. Importance of mobile optimization. Given their propensity for using smartphone, ensuring that e-commerce sites are optimized for mobile is essential to attract and retain these customers. Social media as a shopping platform. Young consumers often discover brands and products through social media platforms. E-commerce businesses are leveraging this by integrating the shopping features into the social media and collaborating with the influencers. Personalization and customization. They value the personalized experiences such as product recommendations based on their browsing and purchasing history. Challenges and opportunities of young consumers. Meeting high expectations. Young consumers have high expectations for online shopping experiences, including the ease of use, speed, and the quality of customer service. Engaging through new formats. This demographic is receptive to innovative formats like live streaming shopping, interactive content, and augmented reality. Sustainable and ethical practices. Young consumers are more likely to be conscious of the environmental and ethical aspects of their purchases. Data privacy concerns. They are also aware of the data privacy issues and expect transparency in how their data is used. Future trends of young consumers. Continued growth in online shopping. The preference for online shopping among young customers is expected to persist and grow. Innovative marketing strategies. Brands will need to keep evolving their marketing strategies to effectively engage with their demographic, particularly through digital and social media channels. Influence on the product development. Young consumers' preferences are likely to influence the product development with a focus on tech-savvy, personalized and sustainable products. In summary, young consumers are driving force in the e-commerce sector, influencing how businesses approach everything from marketing and sales channel to product development and customer service. Their preferences for technology, social media, and ethical practices are shaping the future of retail. Thanks for watching and the support. Kindly share our channel and videos, like and ask questions in the comment section for our question and answer sessions.